Still analyzing pivot tables with plain numbers? Let's transform them into powerful visual dashboards that automatically update with slicers and make your reports look amazing in just minutes. Okay, let's dive in. First, select your source data by pressing Ctrl+A. Then go to Insert and click Pivot Table. Choose New Worksheet and hit OK. Now let's create the layout. Drag Category and Product into the Rows area. Drag Sales Amount into the Values area. Again, drag Sales Amount into the Values area one more time. Now we have two Sales Amount columns. The first column will display the actual numeric values, while the second column will transform into a dynamic visual performance indicator. We only want the data bars to appear for the individual product values, not the entire pivot table. This helps keep the dashboard clean, focused, and much easier to read. To do that, select the first product sales amount cell inside the pivot table. Then go to Home, Conditional Formatting, and Data Bars. Choose either a gradient fill or solid fill style. I'll use gradient green data bars. Now here's the most important step. After applying the bars, click the Formatting Options drop-down and choose All Cells showing sum of sales amount values for product. This ensures the formatting dynamically applies to every product in the pivot table. Now, the data bars already look good, but the numbers sitting behind the bars. It makes the dashboard feel a little crowded and harder to read. So let's give it a cleaner, more professional look. Go to Conditional Formatting, then Manage Rules. Select the rule, click Edit Rule, and enable Show Bar Only. Hit OK, then Apply, and OK again. Next, let's clean up those subtotal rows and give this pivot table a more polished dashboard appearance. The quick method is to go to the Pivot Table Design tab, click Subtotals, and choose Do Not Show Subtotals. But there's one downside: Excel removes every subtotal completely, which may not always be what you want. So here's a smarter and more flexible approach. Instead, hold Ctrl and select only the subtotal values. Go to the Home tab, then Number Format. Under the Number tab, choose Custom, and type 3 semicolons. Hit OK. This custom format hides the subtotal numbers, without deleting the subtotal rows themselves. Similarly, you can hide the grand totals value. Finally, let's change the second value title to Sales Visualization. Now let's make this interactive. Go to the Pivot Table Analyze tab, then Insert Slicer, choose the state, and hit OK. Now click on a different state, and the data bars instantly update based on your slicer selections. One final improvement: let's make the numbers easier to read. Go Home, then Number Format. Select Number, decimal places to 0, and use comma separators. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, share it, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more powerful Excel tips and tricks every week.